We offer MBA with a number of foci or concentrations. And basically what we do is we infuse the good work of the late Peter Drucker and his philosophy. Most of our students are already seasoned professionals, so they have jobs, they run their businesses, they have real life experience. So we get them to apply and test it out and see the effects of good management principles in action.
So I wanted to get an MBA as a way to advance my career. It helps you understand the finances, the program management that's involved at the top of any company, and how you can be a part of that and grow any company.
I have a career in sales and that's what I want to pursue. So unless you really know the people and how business is done in the country, there's no way you can be successful in sales. Hence I felt MBA would be the right course to pursue.
Whenever you update your skills and earn an advanced degree, you are adding something to your personal portfolio that you can share with an employer. What really, I think, stands our MBA apart is not just the hands-on experiences that they get in the classroom, but the academics office really is focused on paying attention to what is happening in the workplace. How should we be adjusting the program? We're looking continually for ways to add value to what it is our students taking away from their program. Not just, here's your degree, goodbye, but how can we improve that so we can celebrate with them, here is your degree, and we're now excited to see what you're going to do with it.